Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to do block blast glitch. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to make things clear, if you're looking for a block blast glitch, it is important to clarify whether you are referring to a known exploit in the mobile game, that is in the block blast, or are you trying to figure out some bugs and malfunctions in the app unexpectedly? So, if you're looking for some tricks and some glitches in Block Blast, if you want to do some undo tricks, then if you close the app before your final move ends, sometimes it does not count the loss and lets you replay the same level. Another strategy can be airplane mode, which will avoid you to watch any of those annoying ads on your game. And the last trick can be time skip. Setting your phone's clock forward can also sometimes refill lives instantly if the game isn't server checked. However, not all the versions allow it. And if you're looking to correct the glitches or some bugs, you can simply check for updates or reinstall the app again to rectify it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.